Alright, this is Sunny Tannen field test, I think 2 or 3. It's about 3 o'clock. We're going to hit reset on this. We're going to go straight to manual. Speed is at 70. Spin is at 25. Interval and oscillation, we'll put it at like 25%. Interval, we'll go at 25% also just to test it out. Oops, 25. Pretty intuitive, easy to use. Elevation, we'll put it at 10, and we're gonna go ahead and hit play just to get a test, and you can actually see the machine in action. So here you can see the bottom wheel and the top wheel both engaging. So you can see pretty good pop and pace on it. Looks like we might have to decrease the elevation a little bit maybe. The speed just a little bit maybe. All right. Gonna hit pause at this point and make a couple of adjustments.